On here. What happened?
Sally and Tem went out to play, but never returned. The whole village went out despite the rain to search for them. We eventually found them behind the mountain. But by then, there wasn't any hope left for them.
Trousseau was here, wasn't he? Why didn't he help them?
We went to the House of Healing, but no one was there.
Black swelling all over both children's bodies. Signs that both coughed up blood. Their blood is black.
Black blood?
This must be some sort of poison. I have a bad feeling about this.
Hey, Apothecary? I'm not feeling so great either. And the same goes for a lot of us. Body won't stop shaking.
Signs of paralysis setting in. Castti, what's going on?
Huh?
You too, Andy.
Damn it! Now whatever it is, we've got it too!
The rain. It's purple? Everyone, your coats! Quickly! It's the rain!
What do we do, Castti?
If we do nothing, this pestilence will only spread further. If we are to save anyone, we need to stop that smoke. There's no one else who can help. It's up to us. That's right. We climbed. We needed to know what caused the rain that stole the villagers' lives. But I can't remember any. I need to remember. It can't be.
Dead. They're all dead. 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 Rain! Storm! Keep on pouring!
Trousseau, you're the cause of all of this?
Explain yourself, now!
The smoke? I'm burning a special sort of poison. It'll rise up and up, turn into clouds, then rain on down. These are tears.
Understand what you're doing?
Of course, Chief. I'm following our precepts to their logical end. Extending a helping hand to all in need. Isn't that right? This rain brings salvation. I know. I killed them. Oh, dear me. Our precious children are missing. Who cares if we get soaked? We must find them.
This can't be true.
You used the children to lure the villagers out into the rain?
Ah, what a shame. The fire's out.